Guys, today we're going to be doing a monster truck battle with these two monster trucks. This one is called it's called the Berserker Hero 3. It can flip at any time. Let me show you. See? And it could also go on walls. Let me show you. See that? Look at this, it could flip. And this monster truck is just an ordinary monster truck. Now let's race. 3, 2, 1, go! Now back. Now it's time for the redo. Let's see how the Berserker collides with the monster truck. For the grand final. Okay, folks,